Everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing K4G.com, a digital marketplace selling cheap game keys. Is it a legit way to save money or a shady site with hidden traps? Let's dig in. Quick disclaimer as always, this video is based on research and personal opinion. K4G.com looks like your typical game key reseller, offering huge discounts on PC and console games. According to Trustpilot, they've got a 3.9-star rating from over 11,000 reviews, which isn't bad on the surface. Many users say they received their keys quickly, with some calling it simple, cheap, and smooth. But once you look closer, it's a mixed bag. Some customers report keys not working, and when they contacted support, they were told not to trust the region listings, and refunds were denied. One person even had to charge back their purchase to get their money back. On Reddit, the tone is even more critical. Several users warn about undisclosed fees, surprise verification processes, and delayed refunds. One user said they were charged before being told they needed to verify their ID only to have their key access held up. So is K4G.com legit? Technically, yes, it works for many people, but it's also risky with questionable business practices, poor transparency, and limited buyer protection. If you're going to use it, proceed with caution and maybe use a payment method that allows chargebacks. If you bought from K4G.com, drop your experience in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest reviews. Don't get played, do your research.